Happy Saturday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. We're starting out with mostly clear skies, pleasant though a little cool, but overall it will be a great morning for any of your outdoor activities. To the north, we are tracking rain showers over the UP and even moving up north, and eventually some of that moisture will continue to slide to the southeast. So let's put this futurecast into motion. As we can see that our morning stays dry by noon. We're still looking at mostly sunny skies, but after that some clouds will be on the increase, so we'll be tracking at least partly sunny conditions, and by dinner time we're looking at brief showers mostly north of M59, but we can't rule out the opportunity of spotty shower here or there around Detroit, Mount Clemens. But overall, it's a nice Saturday, so don't cancel your outdoor plans. By Sunday, Mother's Day, we're starting out with clouds, but eventually ending with more sunshine. So let's look at our planner for this Saturday. Mostly clear skies all the way through 11. 64 will be the temperature at that time, so temperatures climbing fairly rapidly thanks to all the sunshine. Clouds on the increase by 1. Brief showers possible after 5 p.m. Our high will be 70 degrees. Tonight, 49, mostly to partly cloudy skies. And tomorrow, Mother's Day, sunshine, passing clouds overall. Not a bad day with a high of 69, so right on average for this time of the year. By Monday, 70 degrees, mostly sunny. Tuesday, 77, breezy on Wednesday, and we hit the 80s. 82 will be our high. And then to end the week, the possibility of some slight shower chances, and highs still in the 70s.